this water. We just got a whole bunch of freaking rain last night. And it's so bad. This creek is probably a good like 12 foot freaking deep. I'm being dead serious right now. Like, look at this. I'm gonna cut it to the next part of the video, but like, come on. This is crazy. The fucking bridge is fucked as shit. What the hell? Can I get on it? God damn. This bridge has been here for, I don't know, this is the most it's ever been filled. This bridge used to be from here to here. Oh my god. This is really fucking stupid. This is very stupid right now. I don't know why I'm right now doing this. Like, I don't think I should even be doing this. Like, any moment I could just sink right in. There's an in drop over there. I don't feel like I should be doing this. Look how far I am right now. Just swallow the damn fly. Look at that. All the way down there, it's full. On the video right here, I just swallowed the damn freaking fly. So yeah.